All right, folks. Well, we got gravel. We got some good gravel. What can we do with this gravel? Let's take a look. Hey guys, it's Al with techmadeezy, and I got gravel. I got a lot of it. Look at these things. They're huge. You know, we got enough gravel, and that's what people want to see. They're like, I need you to open the drawer because I need to see if it can roll on gravel. Now, in video number 2, I just rolled the box, right? You saw that the wheels, the 9-inch wheels, could handle gravel, right? But you're like, Al, come on. I want to see if the drawer has any issues opening up on a work site with the gravel. Okay? So that's what we're going to do, guys. All right? Let's go ahead and check this out. Short and sweet, guys. Short and sweet. So we've got tools in the top box, right? Second box. We got tools, right? And then I got tools in here. Will it open? Let me zoom out a little bit. Will it open on gravel? Huh? Any issues on gravel? No. The box opened up and closed while I'm on camera, right? The right hand's holding the camera. The left hand is opening the box. Look at that. I mean, opens all the way and closes and locks. So those wheels have no issues with gravel. All right? That's what you wanted? And look, it's full of tools. It's full. I got batteries in here. I've got so many tools. I got my sander in here. I was like, let me find tools to put in here. I don't know the weight. I'm not going to kid you. I didn't, it's so hard to deal with a scale when you're out and about, and I had to find a place that had gravel. All right? I mean, these are big enough. So there you go, guys. I hope the video helped you. And guys, if you're watching this video for the first time, we did 2 videos for the rolling drawer box for Packout. On the left side, you're going to see our first video. A lot of demonstrations and stuff in that one. And then on the right side, you're going to see our second video. We took some feedback. We didn't listen all the way because we didn't roll the drawer on gravel. We rolled the box on gravel. So those are the 2 videos. I will put links in the video description. Check them out. Give us a thumbs up. This video is not sponsored. We went out and bought this equipment ourselves. Have a great day, guys. All right, guys. Well, I sure hope our video helped you in some way. And if it did, do me a big favor and give us a thumbs up. I'd greatly appreciate that. And hey, if you could share our video with your friends and your family, that would be awesome. I'm going to put my social media channels right up top. If you want to follow us on social media, go right ahead and send us a message. Let us know that you did. And hey, check out our new Tesla channel. When you get a chance, just look us up at My Tesla Journey 1. And subscribe if you can. I'm going to put a video here on the right side of the screen where my finger is. If you have time, check that out. And if you want to subscribe to our channel here at techmadeezy, all you got to do is click this round techmadeezy logo right there. And you'll be able to subscribe on the spot and join the family. All right, guys? Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.